Hello and welcome back to the Killer Keyboard channel. Today I'm unboxing my Ikki 68 Aurora in charcoal, along with some AliExpress keycaps and a new desk mat. So sit back and relax. I'll share my thoughts towards the end of the video, along with some issues I ran into. So let's start with the desk mat.
身の術。
No! No! No!
Bruh. Bruh.
Let's start off with how this board looks, and I think this board has a killer design. What really attracted me towards this board was its layout. That little square cluster with the magnetic swappable badge made it unique from all the 65% we have at the moment. I like that you can create your custom badge, but I wish it would stay in place a bit better. The deeper black color doesn't allow too much light through the bottom of the case, but that's okay to me. Putting the board together was a pretty good experience. This is my first time using pouring gaskets, and I had some hope in feeling some flex. However, there is no flex with the aluminium plate anyways. Flex doesn't always equal a premium board and really depends on your preference. I personally like a hard bottom out on my tactiles, so a stiff board such as the NK65 is great for that. I have to say the multiple layout is quite confusing when putting switches in for the first time. Some are north facing, some are south facing, and even sideways. This could be daunting for someone if this is their first keyboard. I have one bone to pick with the PCB, and it has to do with the stabilizer screw right next to the enter socket. I understand they are trying to squeeze in the ANSI enter key, but it creates a possible shorting issue that is not beginner friendly. It seems like other people have been experiencing some issues with the PCB also. You can check the Wheelchair Discord channel and ask any questions. I really recommend you test your PCB before you put it together. Well, what do I like about this kit? I think it's the most customizable budget board on the market at the moment, and it has a affordable price of 180 Australian dollars for the wide kit. It comes with different colorways and it was delivered in the same year. It has a Bluetooth version, it has multiple layout compatibility, it has gasket mounts, and the design is extremely unique. In terms of sound, it's too muted with all the silicone in it. I will do a separate video on all the configurations, along with some PE foam and tape mod, and some different keycaps as well. And that's all I have for you today. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe and like. Tell me what you think in the comments and enjoy the sound test.